Hola! I'm at youth group right now. Hey friends! So what do you guys want to tell your future self? Oh. Christian, what do you want to say?
I don't know.
Oh, good.
Is this for the vlog?
Yeah, you know it.
Oh my God.
I know that you guys know that I have a vlog. That was the nicest reaction I've ever gotten. Here's the popcorn stand. Here's me eating at the popcorn stand. TV's moving. Oh, yeah!
Ant farm, she says. That true? Camp Rock?
Yes!
Yeah!
High school music.
Yes!
It's Victoria.
Yes!
Yeah! Okay, we're in Salem. In Salem at our favorite coffee shop literally ever. It's called Archive. Go check it out because it's amazing. Okay, so we just got our coffee. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Trying to get it. There's a little Archive. Is this the antique store? We should look in there, Eve. What? Okay, first sip. I've never got it to go before. I wonder if it tastes different.
I wonder if it tastes different in a different cup.
Ooh. Oh, that's like all sitting at the bottom. Oh no! It just all dumped on the ground. Alright, well I guess we're gonna head back home. If anybody is from Salem, tell us what to do next time, because we just came and got our coffee.
Coffee, and then we look around and we're like, all right.
Yeah, we're like, still nothing to do here. So I think
Not that Salem isn't great. We're sure there are things to do.
yeah, we just
Don't
don't
know.
have time.
And don't know where they are.
Oh my word, look, look, look. Oh, good
Working
boy. At the old Burgerville. How was it?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Okay, guys. We're back. Here's Maddie. We're going to Sky Camp. I don't know if I should. Nobody's gonna look that up.
We're not gonna be there when this gets posted.
Yeah. We're gonna go listen to Isaac. Shout out to Isaac, you suck. We're gonna go
Nice.
listen to him
Preach the Lord.
speak. Yes,
Ooh,
Jesus
yes.
Christ, to a bunch of rowdy middle schoolers. So it's in the middle of nowhere. So I'll show you our location. Sky Camp.
Sky Camp.
Oh my word, what is going on? It's like such mayhem in here. Yeah, Leah! Yeah, Maddie, go join us.
Tomorrow, what in Emperor's New Groove? What is the name of the well? Right?
It's only
If I was talking about
Okay, so we are going to be playing the
Game that we just made up 30 seconds.
Yeah, we're gonna be playing. I think it. Did we say it's called Who Knows Who Best? I
Yeah.
think Who Knows Who's. We're gonna be doing the. We're gonna be playing a game, and we have to know. We have to see who know. Okay, what I think we're gonna be doing is that. Maggie's right back. We're trying. I'm like that thing where it's like.
I don't know what that
Okay. We ask a question. So we're gonna ask a question, and then we have to put down what our answer is for ourselves, and then what we think. Maggie. She was there for so long. Okay. Who knows, like, the other person better, I guess, is the moral of the story. We're both gonna write down what our answer is for ourselves, and then what we think the other person is gonna write down.
So we're writing down 2 answers for each question.
But with the first one doesn't really matter because it's just kind of for us to see if they get it right, so we can't change it afterwards.
Right, but like if we ask the question, then we're both writing down 2 answers, one for myself and then what I think you would do. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I have a question. I have a good question. Can I ask just one on the spot?
Sure.
Okay. If you had to be a ferret, what color ferret would you be?
So I said that you would be gray. What did you say?
Black.
Okay.
This is already off to a bad start.
Well, that was the craziest question I've ever heard in my entire life, so.
And I said that you would be white with a black lightning bolt or like black flames. Cute somehow. Or like, you either would have like the Supreme logo somehow embedded in your fur.
That's exactly what I
You
wrote.
put brown? If you were arrested with no explanation, what would your friends and family assume you had done?
Okay. Easy.
Okay, I got it.
I haven't even started on either one.
Yeah, that's weird. You don't know?
Okay, let's do you first.
Okay, go.
Do I do for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I just said murder. I don't know. Something felt right about it.
I said peeing on a fire for me.
Is that illegal? I mean, I guess
I feel like
that's
it's like...
frowned upon.
I just said that Ethan would get arrested for being too cool. Or at least that's what he'd tell us. He's like, sorry, I don't know. They just thought I was too cool.
I just put tax evasion. Who is your favorite superhero? 3, 2, 1, Rocket Raccoon.
Ethan. Okay, what makes a person beautiful to you? To me, Jake Gyllenhaal. What makes you feel young? Me.
Maggie.
Oh, she's so cute right now. Oh my word, she's so cute. If you could be any animal for a day, what would you be? Or forever?
Forever? Not
Yeah.
for a day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you're a boring animal. We're doing land animal, sea animal, and insect.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, raccoon.
Red panda.
Oh, red panda's good too.
That's what I've been told lately.
Mm-hmm.
I would want to own a raccoon.
As a red panda.
I'm walking.
You're
We're
a red
such
panda.
a- I'm riding my raccoon as a red panda. A sea animal. Ready? Got it? You got it or not?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Seahorse. Eel is what it is, yeah.
Frick, Ethan. When have I ever?
Okay. Insect.
Okay.
3,
3,
2, 1. Roly
dung
poly.
beetle.
Isn't
Kinda
that
close.
that's
No,
it.
they're not.
That's what I was thinking though when I said roly
What?
poly.
Roly poly are things you can roll.
Yeah, but I was thinking they
physically.
roll it. That's what I was thinking.
I don't think that's true.
It is.
The only reason I want to be a dung beetle is because their life seems hard and I think I'm up for the challenge. Because I watched a documentary and the dung beetles were, I showed you that, right? And it's so funny. They're rolling their dung across the field. Field as in sand, not an actual field. They're in the deserts and they're rolling their dung and the dunes have hills. They're trying to slowly roll their dung down the hill and then they... No, they're trying to go up the hill is what they're trying to do. And so they're walking on their dung and then they're halfway up the hill and the dung rolls all the way down and then they fall and it was in slow motion. The dung beetle was like flipping all the way down the hill and I think that's just like kind of right. So,
Okay.
I
3,
don't know.
2, 1. Gorilla.
3,
2,
2, 1.
turtle.
Starfish.
Turtle.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, insect. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Snail.
Yeah, probably.
Like turbo. I'm gonna end every video with me holding a different plant.
Great.
So I have to keep getting new plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm thinking I want to post a clothing haul for you guys next is kind of what I'm thinking. So if you guys want to see what I wear, come check out next week's video.
What day is it being posted on? Mondays. That's right.
How did you do that little routine? I didn't tell him to do that. But anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching my video and catch ya on the flippity flack.